babes, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, I'm Okivia, and on this channel we have all things beauty and fashion. So if you're new here, definitely click that subscribe button. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get this look here. This look is a very festive holiday-ish look. You can pretty much do this look for any event this holiday. You can make the lip super bold and do it for a holiday party, or do a nude lip and do it like a casual everyday look. So I want to do a Sleighing holiday look. If you're new here, be sure to click that subscribe button. We are on the road to 10K, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and turn on your notifications. That way you won't miss another upload from me. And I think that's enough rambling for me, so let's go ahead and jump into the video on how you guys can get this look. guys, and then that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, we are on the road to 10K, so be sure to click that subscribe button so you guys can become a K-babe. Turn on your notifications so you won't miss another upload from me. And yeah, I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.